In this video, we are going to look on how to add music to your post on Lemon8. First, open up your Lemon8 account, then tap on this plus icon, then tap on videos and select any video you want to post and tap on next. Then tap on add sound and tap on view more, and you can select songs from this given list. To listen how the music sounds, simply tap on it, then tap on add to add it to your video. Tap on volume to edit the volume of your added sound and the original sound of the video. And once you're done with it, just tap on next. And your video is ready to be posted. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.